45 minutes over there. So anyhow, so that Easter time last year was in March, and I did not know that. So the whole family gets together, you know. The limousine comes and picks me up, and we go to Tallahassee. It's a big farm, it's 4,500 acres. It has barbecue and everything, okay? You want fish, you want hunt, you know, birds or deer. Say we killed this year in November, we killed say 100 deers, okay? The males that they keep, they inject, you know, the females that are left over, and they have 100 more. So always 300. No, we only count how many we kill, okay? And anyhow, so here comes this guy because my daughter was born, my daughter's a dentist, but now the dentist is here now, 8 years, you know, I spent $2.5 million. And that's all I have to tell you. And she went to San Diego, you know, here now. Over here, she was only making, you know, the special, you know, the special surgery for everything, the smallest price you can have here is $100,000 now. It has the thing that my son-in-law made for years, $30 million for saving. Like a chair, which is usually a couple $1,000. Her chair, okay, is $16,000 because it has panoramic view up on the top. Automatically, you know, right over there, the chair, all the samples, whatever you need.